With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, welcome to Doubtnut. In this question given, a neutral atom of atomic mass number is 100, which is stationary at the origin. In a gravity-free space, emits an alpha particle having nomenclature is A in Z direction. The product ion is P. A uniform magnetic field exists in a X direction. Disregard the electromagnetic interaction between A and P. If the angle of the rotation of the A, after which A and P will meet the first time is n pi upon 25 radians, then what is the value of the n? Firstly, draw the figure of this question. Okay, then this is a coordinate axis x, this is y axis. Okay, and given that the uniform magnetic field exists in x direction, that means direction of the magnetic field is in this direction. Okay, and product and the ion, this is a z direction. Okay, and direction of the A is in this direction and P is in this direction. Okay, P product. Okay, A is given a alpha particle. Okay, that means A, and this can be written as alpha particle having the mass is 4m. Okay, and this is a P. P is actually product. Okay, then definitely having the mass is 100 minus 4m, that means 96m. And we know that any charged particle which is moves in a magnetic field then rotate in a circle. Okay, and the radius of the circle r, and this is equal to r is equal to mv upon qb. Okay, mv upon qb, that means this r and this r can be written as mv can be written as momentum, linear momentum p upon q into b. Okay, and when we see the charged particle, and this is at a initially stationary. Okay, and after that alpha particle and product is formed, that means the momentum will be conserved. That means we can say initial momentum, and this is equal to the final momentum. Okay, initial momentum is equal to final momentum. That means radius of the P, and this is equal to P of the P upon QB. Okay, and this is equal to radius of A. Okay, because the momentum will be same, initial momentum and final momentum will be same, then definitely if this is a charged particle, okay, and having the charge on the alpha particle, and this is equal to plus 2 charge, then definitely charge on the p particle is equal to minus 2 charge. Okay, that means charge will be same, magnetic field same, and momentum will be same. That means rp, and this is equal to ra, and having the value is the momentum of the A upon Q into B. Okay, that implies we can say the value of the radius of the A, and this is equal to the radius of the P. Okay, then definitely if P and A will rotate in a same circle. Okay, same circle, then definitely they are rotated in opposite direction, then meet at this point. Okay, then definitely we can say the total angle rotation by the P plus total angle rotation by the A, and this is equal to the 2 pi. That means we can say theta of P plus theta of A, and this is equal to 2 pi, and theta of P, and this can be written as omega of P into T plus omega of A into T, and this is equal to 2 pi. Omega of P, and this is equal to QB upon M, and M is actually 4M into T plus omega of A, and this is equal to QB upon A, and A is actually 96 into P, and this is equal to 2 pi. Then the value of the T, okay, T is equal to 2 pi upon QB upon 4M plus QB upon 96m. Okay, and after solving we get T is equal to 2 pi upon 25 into QB into 96m. Okay, this is the value of the time. That means theta is equal to omega into t, and omega is equal to QB upon 4m into t can be written as 2 pi upon 25 QB into 96m. Okay, that means m and m is cancelled. Okay, and QB and QB is cancelled, and 96 is also cut with 4, and this is equal to 24. That means theta is equal to 48 pi upon 25. Okay, and this value is given in this question, and this is equal to theta is equal to n pi upon 25. That means this is equal to n pi upon 25. Okay, then the value of n is equal to 48. Okay, n is equal to 48, and this is the right answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.